Hello everyone, welcome to Elementor Pro series. In this series, I will explain about all Elementor Pro widgets. Not only that, I will show you how easily you can create really cool options using those Pro widgets.
In this tutorial, we will see everything about the Facebook Embed Widget, and we will create this cool section using this awesome widget.
I'm Fahd Ahmed with you, the instructor. Let's get started. By the way, if you don't have Elementor Pro, you can get that from the link in the description. And trust me, if you don't have Elementor Pro, you will be missing out on a lot of things. And as you're learning Elementor Pro from me, I also have a special gift for you. So check out the description.
Alright, so this is the Facebook Embed Widget. Let's first have a look what options we have for this widget. Let's drag it to here. Alright, so this is the widget. See, here is the type. The type is now post type. We can make it video. Okay, so here is the video. We also can make it comment. You might be thinking, how could I put my own comment or own video here or own post here? Okay, then I am showing you the way. We will go our Facebook page, and here is the post date. We will select this one, right click it, then we will see the copy link location here. We will click here, then we will come back to our page builder and we will replace the URL from here. See, now our post is here. This way we can put our own link and we can see our own post.
Cool, now let's create a few cool sections using this widget, so you would get a better idea how to use this widget in real life. And before moving forward, make sure you like this video and subscribe into this YouTube channel. Otherwise, you may don't find those valuable videos on your home feed next time. So make sure you have liked this video and subscribe into this channel.
Now let's create. At first we will delete this one. Now we will go to the element and we will take an inner section here. Here's two column. At first we will take a title here. We will change the text from here. Okay, now we will go to this section and we will set a minimum height here like V8 and we will set it 60. Okay, now we will set a background here. We will select this image. We will make it center, repeat, no repeat, and size will be cover. Then we will add a background overlay here, gradient overlay. Okay. Now we will increase the opacity and we will change the angle. Okay, then we will edit this title. Go to the style, we will change the color to white. Okay, this one we will also make it white. Then we will go to the typography. We will change the font size from here. Okay, then we will go to the element and we will drag a text editor here. We will put some dummy text here. Okay, now we will go to the style tab. We will change the color to white. Then we will go to the typography. We will change the font size to 16 pixel. Then we will click the column edit icon. Go to the advanced margin. We will set it to percentage. Right, we will make it 10% or 15%. Okay, now we will go to the element and we will search for Facebook Embed. Okay, we will select a video here. Now we will embed a video from our page. Click this on and copy link location. Back here and change it. Okay, we can also make the video full screen or autoplay And we also can add the caption here. If we turn on the autoplay, you will see the video is playing automatically. Okay, now we will click this 6 dot icon, and from here we will see the vertical align. We will make it middle. Okay, now we will update it and we will preview this one. Now we will go to the very bottom of the page. Cool, this way you can add a Facebook embed widget in your website.
Alright, so this is it for now. If you want to know about all the details of other Elementor Pro widgets, I have a complete tutorial on that. I will put that link in the description also. If you want to learn how to create a website from scratch using Elementor or Elementor Pro, you can check out other full website creation tutorials. I will put these links in the description as well. And if you need any professional help regarding Elementor, WordPress or e-commerce, from small minor fixing to a complete website creation, you can contact through our website. Just go to the heywordpress.com and click to the make my website button. It will fly you to this page you might be searching for. Here is a simple form, just fill it up and click to the submit request button. We will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. See you soon.